Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making Miniverse. Okay, so this is a Miniverse. It comes with all these little accessories. Yes, I already opened it. So it also comes with a little table that separates. So that's really convenient. So you can put all your things. So I'm going to show you now what's inside. So this is what's inside. So it's like a little ball, and I see that there is some instructions where it tells you how to make it, so you know what you're making and you know how to make it. So here I'm showing that we are going to be making the skewers. It looks really yummy. I would actually eat that. I'm not a very mushroom fan or tomato fan, or I don't really know what those other things are, but this is how you make it. So here we have the mushrooms. I love the little compartments they come in. So they're super cute and small. That's the next thing. So then we have this olive oil, also known as the glue that will glue the little herbs to it. Well, aka sprinkles. So there's a little thing so it doesn't explode inside. And that little cap makes it so nothing falls out. And you're supposed to swap it with that one to pour out, but the pouring doesn't work out very well later. So here are the actual little skewers. There's 3 of them, so you can make 3 for yourself or for 3 people. But obviously these aren't edible, so please do not eat these. So these are the little herbs, again, also known as mini sprinkles, and they do not work out very well either, so be careful with those. Okay, so next we have like so these are the tomatoes, and I don't know what the things on the left are. They're green and yellow. I really don't know. I don't want to say the wrong thing, so I'm not going to say that it's anything because I don't want to tell you guys what it's not. So these are the tweezers to help you pick some things up because, yeah, it is small. There's a little cover for it, so we don't actually know what it's for, but we intended it to cover because it kind of looks like a light bulb, but what else would it be for? So we're just going to use it to put on. And now we have the little table where in the picture it also shows that they're laying on. So to move everything out of the way, get the table here in the middle so you can start working, I guess. So the table that's where you hold it. So now I'm going to set everything up so you can see everything together in line. So I'm just going to get this out of the way by popping it out and swapping the cap. So let's pop that little piece of plastic out and just put it on the side. Just swap the cap. So now it's supposed to come out of that, which, yeah, you'll see later how it goes. So you can pop those there so you can see them. Hands are so shaky when making this. I don't know why. There are the mini herbs. Tweezers with the weird cap. I think those are the mushrooms, yeah. There we have the tomatoes and the things on the left. The Happy Grillin'. I really like that. That's so cute. And the little table. I mean, like plate. So there's one skewer. So I'm going to take that out and find a way to put the things on. So these little boxes are really hard to open. For this, I took like a good solid 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes trying to get them out. So here I'm just got one out to pop it on the skewer. I was trying to copy the picture, but then I copied the picture twice for the same thing. And yeah, then I just made my own for some reason. But I think they're still super cute in the end. So, oh, mini explosion, but I fixed that. Right, okay, so it is hard to fix it again, so it did take me a bit to fix it. Not maybe a minute, but it took a bit to fix it back because they're so small. Didn't use the tweezers though, so well done me. So here I'm putting the little things on the skewers. You can see that they have holes. I'm not gluing them onto the skewer, which is really easy. But the tomatoes look like, I think they're tomatoes. They're pretty sure they're tomatoes. They look like they're just normal tiny beads, which I think that's what they are, but the mushrooms are so detailed. And those things on the left of the tomatoes, which I always find so confusing. I still don't know what they are. They look like clay beads. If you don't know what clay beads are, you can use them to make bracelets. So, I mean, if I had a bunch of those things, I could make a clay bead bracelet, which is kind of cool actually. But I am not using those, so I actually ended up using all of them to make these skewers. I think I had like 3 or 4 tomatoes left and 1 mushroom, which is kind of surprising. I think you're supposed to always use them all up, but I guess we'll do it like that. So that's the second one, and I did speed this up. I'm not like a superhero going super fast with this. I sped it up so you wouldn't be here. It said it was going to be the video, so like it took me like 20 minutes to do all this, so I had to slow this down. So it's probably like 10 minutes or so. But yeah, please do not start like going, it's not 10 minutes. It might be over, it might be less. So yeah. So here I am making the second skewer. I find these so adorable. So this is already my second one. I got into this when I first saw people doing it on YouTube actually. I found it so interesting. I got my first one. I just was over the top. I built it with my grandma, and it was so fun, and it was a little lemon cake. Had lemons on the bottom around it. Okay, so here I go for the third one. And yeah, back to what I was saying. It had lemons around the bottom, and it came in this cute little cake thing. So yeah, it was super cute. I was super obsessed, so I got another one. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to make another video next week on another one. So make sure you keep watching to see when that one comes out. So I already got it, and I know what it is, but I'm not going to tell you guys. Keep out the secret. So this is the one I invented, which is really, really fast. So it's kind of hard to keep up with this one. This one was really fast, actually. So yeah, I'm really happy that I did a different one at the end. So look, I think it's 3 tomatoes left at the end. Yeah, it's 3 tomatoes left at the end. 1 mushroom. You see, I put the last mushroom against it. Now I'm taking it off because it wasn't the same as the other one. So now I'm closing them up. I obviously keep the little cases. They are adorable. I'm never throwing those in the bin. I'm going to make my own shop with them. Okay, so this all of them set up. And now let's get to like covering that olive oil / glue. So trying to use the tweezers to, okay, so I bring in the table. Okay, here's the table. Okay, so nothing's coming out. And yeah, tried shaking it, tried squeezing it, but it is a really hard bottle. You can squeeze it, but like you can kind of see my hand shaking so much. Trying to shake the bottle to see if anything comes out. Nothing was coming out, so yeah, it was really annoying that nothing would come out. So let's see. So I think I'm taking off the cap now. Yeah, there goes the viewer. Okay, so I took the cap off. Okay, without the cap is working better. So what's really annoying is that the little beads move. So like, look at that. There's already some glue, olive oil on the table. And it's so annoying because the tables nearly always end up dirty at the end. I don't have any clean tables. I only have like wet, dirty ones. They're not wet, they're like dirty. So okay, so now I got all the glue I needed off and put it on top. See, now I'm rolling some of them to see if they can get all. And this is another disaster. Okay, so didn't know the sprinkles would come out so easily because in the lemon cake, it was really hard actually to get them out. These ones are smaller, so yeah, I've magically cleaned them. So now, next skewer. It's really annoying because you need to let them dry. It says 5 to 10 minutes. And last time it took more than a day. Then the next day, I thought, wait, it has a little sun on the picture on the ingredients I think it's on how to make it. So yeah, so then I put it near the sun and it was so quick to finish. Okay, so now I'm still trying to squeeze it out of the end, which we already know doesn't go well. So I did flip the end over and like pop it inside it so there was glue on the ends. So I was trying to put it on, but it still didn't work. So then started shaking it, and then I think I saw the little tweezers, and I stuck the tweezers inside the little bottle, and I got the glue and I spread it on, trying to spread it on evenly and well, and that was actually the best working part. Worked out really well actually. So here we go. Guess now I just put all the glue on. Now I know that the sprinkles go everywhere. So in this part I think I do it a bit more carefully. There goes more glue on the table from the skewer moving and the little tip. This time I had a little what even is it called? I don't even remember what it's called. It's like, you guys probably know, so good that you probably know. At least I'll probably know what it is. So now I'm trying to use that. I think it's a funnel. It's a funnel. I'm trying to use a funnel to get it all inside. So magically, get it all inside. Try at least to get as much sprinkles as I can. So you can see that the table's a bit dirty now, but so I'm using the same technique last time, and this time the last one, third time's a charm, worked out amazingly, super quick. You can even see I've nearly already added all the glue to it compared to the first one. The first one took so long. This is not even how long it took. This part was like the longest part. It probably took like 15 minutes just to get all of these covered, which kind of means 5 minutes per each one, which is really annoying. But if you're doing this, you have to know that there are consequences and hard parts to this. So, okay, here come the sprinkles. So, yeah. Also, the glue that's already on the table gets stuck to the sprinkles. You'll see that this time I'm trying to roll all the sprinkles in, so more glue gets on the table, so the sprinkles won't come up. So when I try to use the funnel to put them back inside, it sticks to the table. I don't know if you can see, but like, look. Not yet. I'm trying to like use it. See that little end? Look at the table. That's all the glue that's stuck to the sprinkles. Now I'm going to close the sprinkles, and that's the end of the sprinkles. So sprinkles and the olive oil, bye-bye. So now I'm going to clean all that. So there you have it. Now it's all clean. So see you later, guys. So bye. See you in the next video.